Alrighty. Sir, she feeling good, I ain't gonna lie. I hate how this thing be bogging out, bro. I need real good gas, man. Do y'all know where I can get a nice can of E85 at, bro? Because this gas station gas ain't gonna cut it for me, I swear to you. This gas station gas is not gonna cut it for me. Burn rubber is so easy. So freaking easy. Let's see what we got, man. I know y'all like, man, build up the boost. Yes, sir, man. We are back here with another Everything Regular video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, like the channel for your boy, man. Subscribe to that thing as well. And make sure you head on over to the website, man. That's regular.com right now. Go purchase you a Everything Regular flame hat. Whichever hats you purchase will be your entry into the giveaway. Y'all know we got something dope. Ready. I ain't gonna lie. She ready. When that boost build up, I know y'all hear it. Oh my God, I know you will hear when the boost build up. Oh shucks. Let's see. Let's build it up and then go. We building it up. Oh my God, that thing sound like a freaking jet. Oh my God. Woo, shucks. Woo, oh my God. Build it up. I'm telling you, when that boost gets to going, she going, I ain't gonna hold you. I didn't drop my dang camera. My dang camera, y'all. Golly. Oh, I'm so mad about it. Dang it. Since my other camera want to cut up and act bush, you know. She's squeezing, she's screaming, man. I know you hear her. turbo gonna kick in when I'm ready for it. It's gonna kick in when I'm ready for it now. Granted, we got bad gas in here right now, so it's bogging out every chance to get. Like, the gas station I put in here yesterday was literally just trash, man. I'm about to go find a whole E85 can. But, I mean, all in all, you guys get the whole idea of it, man. This thing is a freaking beast. Like, woo! I'm telling you, she ready to go. She ready. Come on, Fabio. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is an animal. A monster. Man. Woo. Build up. When I tell you this thing is gone, oh my God. It's the boost for me. Dang! I didn't scrape my whole damn camera. Oh my God. Man, I'm mad about it. It's always something, bro. Always something, I swear to you. It's always something. Whole camera is done. I didn't shave the whole camera off. That's the crazy part. Engage, let's go. Oh my God. Oh, got hit with a rock. This thing feels amazing, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. Oh my God. This thing is just ready to go. I cannot believe it, bro. Like, this thing just feels oh so amazing, brother. Oh so amazing. I'm going to the front. It is what it is. Let's see what we got. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is a beast. Like, the build up is literally like one of the best parts, bro. I can't hold you. The build up is literally one of the best parts. I cannot hold you. Oh my God. She's ready. No, don't nobody really want to road race. They might want to do a race from a dig, but they don't want to road race at all. I swear to you, this thing goes. And yes, I know I will have a Canon E85, a real Canon E85 when we race, so it won't be no bogging out. So if we are racing, don't try to take me to the gas station before we race, because I know how y'all like to get. We're going to build this sucker up. Is a beast. This thing is a freaking beast. She ready. She ready. Ha ha. She sound good, man. This thing feel great. Now what y'all say, man, let it build up, man. Let it build up. Broke my whole damn camera. Feels amazing, bro. I just want to go, like literally just go. Swear, man, as soon as you get up to speed, it's something in your way. That's the only thing about this bike. As soon as you get up to speed and you start having fun, somebody is in your way. But all in all, she do sound amazing, man. The Big Daddy is on the Big Daddy. The Big Daddy is on the Big Daddy, that's for sure. Man, we almost out of gas, so I guess we almost good. You see what I'm saying? As soon as you get up, there's always gonna be somebody that's gonna be in front of you, bro. They got that CVO for sale. that turbo kick in, bro, it just feels like a whole animal. You can literally feel the power just back there at the back wheel, just like go, 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 go. Swear to you. So, operation find E85 can, not gas station gas, because you never know. We don't want this thing to bug out, and right now it's doing some bugging out. You feel me? Oh my God, that thing sound like a freaking beast, bro. Come on, are you gonna go or are you gonna stare at me? Let's see if I can lay some tires down. Let me see.